blotting out empathy, kindness, and love. The darkness goes through me. My fingers constrict to a fist in my glove. High on the wings of the eagle, I'm ready to fly. My hopes and dreams and secret schemes buried so deep, but the mission remains. A faith redeemed, the silent stream is death from above on my silver grave. Rapture received in the fire, man as he's thinking and acting in wood, straight to the heavens and higher, burning with vengeance, the streets out straight from the sun. Just like the dawn of the spring, paper roars, the flames of consumed air. I cannot distinguish the man from a boy. Look to the heavens for guidance, but now I'm blind. My hopes and dreams and secrets